ọbụla ma this girl nya gwena na mo sere no ma ife.
Are you from Ebonyi?
I'm Imo.
Okay. Do you mean Ebonyi people in general don't have sense?
They too them naturally they don't have sense.
Okay, but I feel like that's too much to say about like an entire people, because maybe you have met some people that don't have sense.
I've not met them. I don't even have anything to do with them.
So how did you come to the conclusion that they don't have sense, like the whole Ebonyi people?
I don't know, but me, I just naturally there is this natural hatred I have from that. I don't know. I don't like them.
There's a natural hatred.
Anything about them irritates me.
Natural hatred for Ebonyi people.
Yes. I don't like them.
You say anything about them irritates you?
Yes.
Okay.
Nwata nwanya, you came out to the public to embarrass Ebonyi and Mbise people, not knowing that you are actually embarrassing yourself. Onwege ki na akpari, onwege ki na etu afa, maka ndị mmadụ enega anya ka onye amaghị ife. Imaro. This is why history is very important. Because tell me, what is the difference between someone from Ebonyi, Imo, Anambra, Enugu, Abia States, and Yoma? What is the difference between us? Is it because they divided us into different states? There was nothing like Ebonyi, Enugu, Anambra, Abia, Imo states. There was nothing like that. We used to live as one. We are Igbo people. I Bundi Igbo. The first governor of Eastern Region, Akanu Ibiam, an Igbo man from Ebonyi State, was the first governor of Eastern Region. Akanu Ibiam was a man who sacrificed his knighthood for Ndi Igbo. A great man. So don't ever think that you are better than someone from Ebonyi State. You are not. I don't understand this segregation among us, Ndi Igbo. I don't understand. Oburu na ni Igbo onye Igbo. Neso heme, I don't like Anambra people. I don't like Ebonyi people. I don't like Enugu. I don't like Imo. I don't like Abia. I don't like Anioma. I don't like Mani Bonyi Igbo. Imahi ife. Iyafu onye Igbo. Oputa na ase. I cannot marry from Imo State. I cannot marry from Ebonyi. I cannot marry from Anambra. I cannot marry from Enugu. I cannot marry from Anioma. I cannot marry from Abia State. Onye Igbo. Onye Igbo. Ifele mebuku unu. Tufia kwa. Imakwa if you are an Igbo person and you say that you hate another Igbo state, Ima you are self-hating. Imaro, Ndi Igbo, try and be self-aware. Obi ife ne kana pute kunilo, Igbo bofu, and there is no Igbo state that is more Igbo than another state.